Welcome to Girls World!
Hi everyone, I received another package from Colorfuldiy. I want to say thank you to Lynn for sending me all these items. So they kindly sent me the hair clips, a hairbrush, and a notebook. So let's start working on with these items. For every item, they provided you with a pattern, the rhinestones, and the tools. So let's start with the hairbrush. I choose the seahorse pattern. So this is how it looked like after it's finished. It's very beautiful. I like the design and it's very easy and very quick. So you can always have your little ones help you with this. This looks so cute, colorful, and very functional. Now let's proceed with the hair clips. This is the final look. So what do you think of it? I think it's so pretty.
Look at Mama. He has a new hair clip and he made it himself today. I mean her. I mean not him. And it is very, very beautiful. Wow.
The last item is a notebook. I chose the bee pattern. And this is the final look. It looks so wonderful and useful. So if ever you wanna try these crafts, you can check their website. I'll leave the link in the description down below. And let me know in the comment if ever you've tried this DIY diamond painting before and what do you think of it. Until next time, bye!